Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect BuddyPress user after login to profile page or activity page or member page using plugin in BuddyPress WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So you can redirect BuddyPress user to any page like profile page, activity page or member page after login. So we are going to use plugin and we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin, write BuddyPress member only. So this is plugin. We are using BuddyPress members only. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So we are using this plugin for restrict BuddyPress pages to login or members only. So we are using this plugin. After activating plugin, on left side you see BuddyPress members only. So click on it. So we are in plugin setting. Now you see register page URL. Now you see redirect login user to BuddyPress personal activity page, BuddyPress member page, BuddyPress personal profile page. So you can select any page or option according to your requirement and then click on save setting or submit. So after that, when BuddyPress user login into your website, then redirect to specific page mentioned in drop down option. So we are using this plugin to restrict BuddyPress to community members or login user only. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.